We just filled our RYOBILINK rolling storage units.
It took a while because they hold so much.
We started with one. I filled it with my most used tools and accessories. I can take everything with me wherever I need it.
No more back and forth getting things from the garage that you couldn't carry.
And these clear tops let me find what I need quickly. The organisers are weatherproof too. Great for when we load it with camping stuff and take it away with us.
Then I thought about all the crafts bits and pieces I've got in cupboards and drawers around the house.
So it was back to Bunnings to grab another set.
These types of organisers are just perfect for all my craft projects.
And everything fits together.
From carts to crates, buy them together or separately. The system can grow with you. Some even store on our Link hanging storage system.
We're so well organised now.
Thanks to our RYOBILINK Rolling Storage.
Now we can spend our time and energy on the fun things.
RYOBI, a cut above.